We're making slow cooker steak fajitas. Let's get cooking.
Chop your onions and peppers. Add your oil to your pan. Add your steak, salt and pepper, and brown both sides. In your slow cooker, add your meat, your can of Rotel, onions, peppers. Add the juice of 1 orange and 1 lime. Add your spice mixture, salt and pepper. Stir. Cook on high for 4 hours. Enjoy.
We're making some slow cooker orange chicken. Let's get cooking.
Oil your pan, flour your chicken, add to the pan, salt and pepper, brown the chicken, remove from the pan. Add chicken to the slow cooker, add your orange marmalade, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, red pepper flakes, ginger paste. Stir, cover, cook for 5 hours on low, serve over rice and enjoy.
We're making a slow cooker Italian sausage and veggies. Let's get cooking.
If your slow cooker allows, brown your sausage, remove from the pan, chop your peppers, onions and potatoes, add your potatoes, sausages, onions, peppers, green beans, your diced tomatoes, beef broth, your seasonings, and your garlic. Cook on low for 8 hours, serve and enjoy.
We're making a slow cooker Italian beef sandwich. Let's get cooking.
Add your beef, salt and pepper, chop and add your onions, your garlic, add your pepperoncini and their juice, red wine, beef broth, add your spices and bay leaves, cover and cook on low for 10 to 12 hours. Remove the beef, shred it, put it on a sub roll with some provolone, broil for 2 to 3 minutes, serve with giardiniera. Enjoy!